Welcome back to my channel. I have a special unboxing. So lately I've been focusing on training martial arts, and one of the aspects of the martial arts is with weapons. All right, so at first I was going to make this a live stream. I did that before. If you guys haven't seen that, make sure you watch that video. It was of the converted 3-section staff and their skirmish sticks. But I had it rotated in the wrong orientation, but now I know how to do it. And by the way, the next live stream will be about my shoes, as you guys voted on the YouTube post. So this is kind of like a special unboxing video and also like a vlog all in one. Yes, I'm still practicing my martial arts, practicing kicks, like 8 different kind of kicks, almost every other day, and weapons, still practicing my nunchucks, tonfa, bow staff. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and box this. There's 2 weapons that I purchased from MartialArtSmart.com. At first, I thought they were too good to be true. As a YouTuber myself, I did my research, and they've got some decent reviews. I mean, obviously, I received the item right here. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this packaging. All right. As you can tell, it's not wrapped up in anything fancy, though. Okay. Super excited. So I've been also trying to increase my flexibility. I want to perform head kicks. Back when I was a teenager in high school, I was able to do that easily. I was able to do a split. Now I just find it a lot more challenging, especially now that I'm more mature. But every night I do stretches, and whenever I can, practice my kicks. It's getting there, guys. It's getting there. Let's go cut this up. Maybe I will make an update video on how I've improved with the weapons I learned. Okay. Oh man, why can't they just put this in like a round cylinder container? Well, it is a cheaper company. Maybe I should have made this into a live stream. I'm gonna make this in all one take. All right, no cuts. Like a music video. Oh, here we go. Here we go. You guys ready? Check it out. 2 items right here. 2 self-defense kung fu weapons. What do you think? Before I announce it, what do you guys think this is? Shiny. Kind of like a rope. What's this? All right, give up. This is another 3-section staff that I purchased. Why, you may ask? Since I already have a converter 3-section staff. Why, as it turns out, when I was working with this is the converter 3-section converter staff. You know, you can convert it into a 6-foot aluminum staff to a flail, and then you unscrew both sides. It's an aluminum 3-section staff. So as I got into using this, it's a little bit on the heavy side. So I thought, you know what, I need something that the monks use. And I think back then, some monk during the Ming Dynasty, I think, invented the 3-section staff. I think he was practicing his bow staff, and then he broke like bamboo or some type of branch, and it turned into 3-section, and then he got to thinking, why can't I make a weapon out of that? All right, so this is the white Waxwood 3-section staff that's 26 inches long each section. All right, and white Waxwood is typical Chinese wushu weapon they like to use. It's lightweight, it's durable. Okay, each of these are 26 inches long, very lightweight. Screwed on, looks like 2 rods on each end, keep it in place with a, what do you call that, a hook, a hinge. along with 3 rings. All right. So you guys do the math. Overall length is probably, I would say, probably like 80 something inches. All right. Okay. Very lightweight. 3-section staff. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do some practicing. I don't want to embarrass myself. That's why I'm not going to show this on video of me practicing, because I'm obviously 3-section staff is a whole another animal. Of course, when you start out with a bow staff and these transition to the nunchucks, this is the dirt part. When you advance yourself, 3-section staff. All right. Okay. Can't wait for that. In here, now this is a concealable monk weapon. Lately I've been watching a lot of these 70s kung fu movies, man. I've been missing out. I pretty much watch all the 90s, you know, with Wong Fei-hung, with Jackie, with of course Jackie Chan, Jet Li, Donnie Yen. That's why I'm starting to pay more attention to the 70s. So this is actually known as a 7-section stainless steel chain whip. So there are 2 versions. There is a what's going on with these chains right here? That's weird. Okay. All right. So there is a 7-section version and a 9-section. I decided to go with the 7-section because I'm not that tall. Of course, I think for anybody that's like 6 feet or over, get the 9-section. Because when you twirl this around, use it as a whip, you obviously don't want it to be longer than you know, whatever you transverse, use it with your hand. All right. So this is chrome plated. The Wushu version is thinner, built for speed. This is the standard traditional. I imagine it's probably double the thickness of the rods right here. Okay, so each section is about 3.5 inches long. Overall length, about, I would say about like 40 plus inches, maybe somewhere around there, 42, 46 inches. Got a nice handle with nylon. Oh man, why is this coming loose? I have to do something with this. All right. Okay, and this is a very dangerous weapon to practice. So what I've been using is like a cord, a power cord, a DVI cable, and I've been trying to use that. And this weighs about, I would say, about 13 ounces. Look at that. Yeah. So it's concealable. You know, put it in a pocket, bring it out, whip it. And this is pointy end, kind of like a bullet. It's not sharp or anything like that. But imagine if you generate enough speed and power, if this hits your body or even your head, that's lethal. It looks like the 7-section whip. It's about 47 inches, and I did some research. The extra rings are to add like a jangling sound. And it looks like it weighs 18.02 ounces, so over 1 pound. 1 pound 2 ounces. Overall length of the 3-section staff is 86 inches. That converts to 7 feet 2 inches. Wow, that's taller than Shaq. And it weighs a whopping 30.02 ounce. So that converts to 1.876 pounds. And by the way, both of these weapons, I'm glad I live in Washington. It's illegal in Canada, California, Massachusetts, and New York. So you cannot purchase this. It will not be shipped to you if you live in those in that country or those states. All right, so be on the lookout for the upcoming practice videos.